Okay, in this lecture we're going to talk about measurements, and we already know about voltmeters and ammeters from either 518 or from AP Physics 1, but we're going to go ahead and review them again. A voltmeter is a device that measures voltage. Voltmeters are connected in parallel and measure the difference in potential between 2 points. Since circuits in parallel have the same voltage, and a voltmeter has a very high resistance, this means very little current will pass through it. What that means is that the voltmeter has little effect on the circuit itself. We use an ammeter to measure current. Ammeters are placed in series with the circuit. In order to not interfere with the current, the ammeter has a very low resistance. Although there are separate items to measure your current and your voltage, there are also devices that can measure both. It can't do it at the same time, but it can measure it at one time and then another time. These devices are called multimeters. Multimeters can be used to measure resistance, and as you saw from the ones in our class, our multimeters can also measure AC current, AC voltage, and also capacitance, and also information about diodes. A group of students prepare an experiment with electric circuits. Which of the following diagrams can be used to measure both current and voltage? And I'm going to have to scroll down a little bit, so take a look at A, B, C, and D. And there is E. Okay, if you have to, you can rewind or look at your diagram on your lecture notes. Okay, so let's see if you chose the correct answer. Hopefully you chose E. E is the only one that has the ammeter wired in series with the device and the voltmeter wired in parallel. In the next video, we'll cover EMF and terminal voltage.